Hello guys, welcome to our new video. Today, I will show you how to change a mobile app name. First, download and install the APK Editor app from a trusted source. Open the app and tap on Select App from App or Select APK file, depending on your choice. Choose the app you want to modify and select the Common Edit option. In the app name field, type the new name you want for the APK. After making changes, tap on Save and wait for the app to rebuild the app key. Finally, uninstall the original app and install the newly edited APK. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like and share the video. Thank you for watching.